What is a domain name? The domain name represents both the web address of your website and the name visitors use to refer to your website. For example, www.google.com, www.facebook.com, and www.huffingtonpost.com. Using the domain name is easier and a friendlier way to reference an entry in a database. The database has a listing of the friendly domain name as well as a numeric address. The database that makes all this work is called the Domain Naming System, also known as DNS. When browsing, it doesn't matter if you use upper or lower case when you browse to a domain. You can also leave off the www part and still locate the domain. What is a domain registrar and what do they do? Basically, they manage the domain names and entries in the database and keep them reserved to a specific individual or company. Until 1999, all this was controlled by a single registrar called Network Solutions Incorporated, but since then there are several organizations that are managing domain names and make registration possible with a number of different option choices. Once you decide what your domain name is going to be, you do need to register it and reserve it. And you'll find that a domain registrar may also provide hosting services, and a hosting provider may provide domain registration services. Some of the more popular domain registrars and hosting providers are GoDaddy.com, HostGator.com, Namecheap.com, Bluehost.com, and HostMonster.com. Let's go take a look on the web what it looks like browsing to a domain name. Alright, I'm out here on Google.com and I'm going to browse over to my demonstration website, which is called www.demoproductsite.com. Looks like I already searched for it. I was able to connect to Demo Product Site by the friendly name, and I'm going to just refer to it and leave the www part off this time. And there it is. It comes up. Now, in my settings within the blog, I've made it so that no matter how someone references it, whether it's www dot or without the W's, it will resolve always to this consistent name. And that's just a little SEO tweak. Okay, let's mix up case and try it. So I'll type in www.demo. Oops. If you misspell your friendly name, it will not work. Or you'll get somebody else's site, depending. Okay, so I've got uppercase and lowercase. And it still resolves just fine. So there you have it, how domain names fit into the scheme of things and how to browse to them, and you can use uppercase or lowercase, and you don't have to use the www prefix if you don't want to.